Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about some of the previous year questions which were asked in the previous NEET examinations and especially in the chapter of units and measurements. So without late, coming to the point, this is the question. The unit of thermal conductivity is watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse, joule meter Kelvin inverse, joule meter inverse Kelvin inverse, and watt meter Kelvin inverse. These are the options, and it is given in the 2019 exam. So here the first thing is you have to know about the what is thermal conduction and what is the thermal conductivity. So for example, it is a one body. This is the first end, this is the second end. The first end is at the temperature of θ1 and this is the θ2, and its length is L and its area of cross section is A. Then the amount of heat transferred from A to B is directly proportional to A into θ2 minus θ1 into T, and inversely proportional to the length of the conductor, length of the body. Clear? So now, what is the time of transmission of heat? The amount of heat transferred from one end of the body to the another end of the body. And in that, here what is I am going to say? T is the time. So the rate of transmission, the amount of heat supplied is also depend upon the rate of transmission of heat and area of the conductor and different temperature difference of A and B, and inversely proportional to the length of the conductor. From those two, what rate? Q is proportional to A into θ2 minus θ1 into T by L. Then what rate? Here K is the constant, A into θ2 minus θ1 into T by L. So here what is K is called? K is called coefficient of thermal conductivity or thermal conductivity. So now we have to write the expression for K. What is Q into L? Q into L by A into θ2 minus θ1 into T. Here what is Q? Q is amount of heat energy. Other unit is what? Joule. And length is what? Length unit is what? Meter. For area, meter square. And θ2 minus θ1 is what? Temperature difference. Other unit is what? Kelvin. And for time, second. Clear? So from that we are going to write like this: joule for second into meter by meter square into 1 per second. Here joule per second, P is equals to W by T. What is joule per second? So nothing but here power. So power unit is what? Watt. That's why here joule per second is nothing but watt. And meter square cancel. What you have? 1 by meter and 1 second. And here it is there. What is temperature? Kelvin. Kelvin it is also there. So here I am going to like this here into 1 by K. Then what right here? W is equals to, here what right children? W means what? Watt, meter inverse, Kelvin inverse, and here 1 by second is what? Nothing what? Here already is over. Joule per second is what? S. So all we are taken. So the watt 1 by meter and 1 by Kelvin. That means what? Watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse. Very simple children. Here you have to substitute units like this. For Q, joule; for length, meter; area, meter square; and temperature difference, Kelvin. That's what you have. For time is T. So 1 by K, joule per second, and meter for meter square. Meter square cancel. So joule per second is there. What it is called? Watt. And 1 by meter is there. 1 by Kelvin is there. That's why. So unit of thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity. What is? Watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse. So among the 4 options, first option is the correct one. See the next question. So this is given in the year of 2004. The unit of permittivity of free space epsilon naught is. The unit of permittivity of free space epsilon naught is options are given. Coulomb for Newton meter, Newton meter square for Coulomb square, Coulomb square for Newton meter square, Coulomb square for Newton meter whole square. So these are the options given. So obviously permittivity means that is related to the current, especially Coulomb's law. What it is? F is proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square, and F is equals to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here what is epsilon naught? Epsilon naught is the permittivity. For that we have to write the units. So that's why here I am going to write epsilon naught is equals to, so 1 by 4 pi into Q1 Q2 by pi F into R square, F into R square, epsilon naught, and you can bring F to this side. Then what it is? Epsilon is equals to Q1 Q2 by F into R square. Then epsilon naught is equals to, what is Q? Q is the charge, and its unit is what? Coulomb. Okay, and what is F? Force, and its unit is what? Newton. And what is R? R is the distance between two charges, that is what? Meter. So there is option here. Q1 is what? Charge. Q2 also charge, that means what? Coulomb into Coulomb by F means what? Newton, and R means what? Meter square. So then what do you get here? Epsilon naught is nothing but what it is? Epsilon naught is what? Coulomb into Coulomb means, so Coulomb square. So here simply what I write? Coulomb square for Newton meter square. So what is Coulomb Newton per meter? So you have with Coulomb square two options only there here. Coulomb square for Newton meter square and Coulomb square for Newton meter whole square. So while you are selecting this one, you have to observe the options very carefully. Here Coulomb square and here it is Coulomb square common. Here Newton meter square and it is Newton meter whole square. So you have to observe the difference. Now this is the right answer. Coulomb square for Newton meter square. So option C is the correct one. See the next question. It is on the screw gauge. It was given in the year 2021. A screw gauge gives the following readings when used to measure the diameter of the wire. We are going to find out the diameter of the wire by using screw gauge. And the data was given. Main scale reading is 0 millimeters and circular scale reading is 52 divisions. Dear students, main scale reading it is also called as here which scale reading, and circular scale reading means what? Head scale. It is also called as head scale, and main scale is what here? Pitch scale. Circular scale reading is 52 divisions. Given that 1 millimeter on main scale correspond to 100 divisions on the circular scale. So all of you know this is a screw gauge. That should be like this here. It is like screw gauge. Simply here now. It is what we call scale or main scale, and this is the head scale or circular scale. This is what? Head scale or circular scale. You have to remember that. So what it is, the main scale reading 0 millimeters and circular reading is how much here? 52. It is there. And now what you have to find out? Diameter of the wire by using the given data. Very simple. So first you have to know about the how we can find out the diameter formula, and next thing is to do that one here. Simply we want to find out the least count. Also. Here diameter is equals to MSR plus HSR into LC. Clear? So D is equals to PSR plus HSR into LC. Here HSR are circular scale divisions. So here what is LC? LC is the least count. LC is equals to, formula is what? Pitch by number of head scale divisions. Then LC is equals to, pitch how much you were given? 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter by divisions, how many there here? Head scale 100. Then what is 0.01 millimeters? That is the least count. So now here, according to the given data, PSR or main scale reading is what? 0 plus 52 into LC value is what? 0.01. Then D is equals to what? 0 plus 0.52. That means what here? 0.52 millimeters. 0.52 millimeters. But you have to observe the options. Options are given in centimeters and millimeters also. So here maximum, the value what we got, that should be in centimeters only. That's why here you have to convert this answer into the centimeters, like by 0.52 by 10. Then what you get? 0.052 centimeters. 0.052 centimeters. That's why here option A is the correct one, children. This is the question on the relative errors and percentage of error. So it was given in the year 2019. In an experiment, the percentage error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4%. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement of X. So he was given expression for X. What is here? X is equals to A square into B to the power of 1 by 2 by 1/3 into, sorry, to the power of 1/3 into D cube. So that is the equation for X. By using that only we have to find out the measurement. In that measurement, in the measurement of A, how much error is there? 1%. And B 2%, C 3%, D 4%. So here by using the combination of errors, here we have one formula is there. Simply I am going to write delta X by X into 100. Delta X is what? Absolute error of X into 100 is equals to, the formula should be going to write like this: 2 into delta A by A into 100. Okay, and B plus 1 by 2 into delta B by B into 100 and plus 1/3 of delta C by C into 100 plus 3 into delta D by D into 100. So children, already he was given what he was given? He was given that delta A by A into 100 is equals to 1% and delta B by B into 100 is equals to how much? 2%. And delta C by C into 100 is equals to how much he was given? 3%. And delta D by D into D 100 is equals to what? 4%. Now we have to substitute all these values in that equation. Delta X by X into 100 is equals to, this value is how much? 1. So therefore 2 into 1 plus, and of delta B by B into 100 how much? 2 plus 1/3 of delta C by C into 100 how much? 3 plus 3 into 3 of delta D by D into 100 is equals to how much? 4% or 4. Therefore delta X by X into 100 is equals to 2 1 into means what? 2 plus, again 2 cancel, plus 1, 3 cancel, plus 1 and 3 into 4 12. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 12 16. So therefore the maximum error, relative error in the finding the value of X is how much? 16 percentage. 16 percentage. That's why among the four options, first option is the 10% is wrong, this is also wrong, minus 10 also wrong, 16% only right one. That's why option C is the correct one. See the next question, children. This is on the base of significant figure, and it was asked in the year 2022. The area of rectangular field of length 55.3 meters and breadth 25 meters after rounding of the value for correct significant digit is. So the area of the rectangular field in meters square. What you have to find out? Area of the rectangular. Area of rectangle. What it is, right? Length into breadth. So what you have to find out? Area of the rectangular, and the final answer should be rounded up to the given significant figures. So here L value is given 55.3 meters. How many significant digits are there? 3. And in case of breadth, how many there here? 25 meters. So the answer also have to round up to the minimum significant figures. So area is equals to length into breadth. So simply what it is? 55.3 into 25. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26, and 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27. 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and 2 5s are 10 11. So 5 12 8 1382.5. So what do you get? 1382.5 meter square. So here that should be rounded up to the minimum two significant figures. That's why we can write like this: 13.825 into 10 cube, or 1.3825 into 10 cube. You can write simply here. Now it is, this is the answer. It is going to be round up to the two significant figures, 13.825. Last one is the equal to 5. That's why before number is even number. There is no modification for it. Then what you have? Third 1.382 now, and 2 is less than the 5. That's why we can omit it, this one. Then what you have? 1.38 we have. So 8 is more than 5. That's why preceding number should be add by 1. Then what you get here? 1.4. So now 1.4 into, we can write, this is what here, simply 1.4 into 10 cube we can write, and simply it is 14 into 10 square we can write. 14 into 10 square. 1.4 into 10 cube we can write, and now it is 14 into 10 square we can write. Okay. See the next question, children. It was given in the year 1991. Problem is, a certain body weighs 22.42 grams and has measured value of 4.7 cc. The possible error in the measurement of mass and volume are 0.01 gram and 0.1 cc cubic centimeter. Then the maximum error in the density will be. A certain body weighs 22.42 grams. The volume of 4.7 cc. Okay, one body it is there. Its mass is how much, children? 22.42 grams. In measuring that, some error is getting. How much it is error? It is there 0. Delta m is equal to what? 0.01 gram. And similarly here in the measurement of volume. So volume, how much was given? 4.7 cc or centimeter cube. Cc, cubic centimeter. And error is how much? Delta V is equals to what? 0.1 cc. Clear? Now the maximum error in the density will be what it is. What you have to find out? Delta rho by rho into 100 is equals to how much? That is the we have to find out. So children, the formula is what now? Rho is equals to mass for volume. Therefore delta rho by rho into 100 is equals to what? Delta m by m into 100 plus delta V by V into 100. What rate simply here? Delta M by M plus delta V by V into 100. It is the common. So delta M by M, how much was given? Delta M, error 0.01 by 22.42 plus delta V how much? 0.1 by 4.7 into 100. So dear students, if you can solve this one, you will get 0.000446 plus, and this one you will get like this 0.021276 into 100. Obviously, by adding these two, we will get simply here now 0.02 we will get, and into 100, that is what? Obviously 2%. Therefore, delta rho by rho into 100 is equal to how much? 2%. So option B is the correct one. See the next question. The density of a cube is measured by measuring its mass and length of its sides. If the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are 3% and 2% respectively, the maximum error in the measurement of density would be. So there is one cube is there, clear. We want to find out the density of cube, and first we have to go for measure the mass and length of its sides. While measuring the length and mass, some error is occurred. That is how much? 3% and 2%. That means in the measurement of mass, the percent of error is how much? It was given 3%, and in the measurement of lengths, so here I am going to write it like this. How much it is? 2%. Why I am writing like this? You have to observe now. So what is density formula? Mass per volume. Mass per volume. Rho is equals to M by V. For a cube, we can write M by LBH. So that means what? Rho is equals to M by L into L. Length, breadth, height also same. That's why rho is equals to M by L cube. M by L cube. Then what rate? Obviously delta rho by rho into 100 is equals to delta M by M into 100 plus, and how much power is there? 3 is there. 3 into delta L by L into 100. So already how much was given? Delta M by M into 100 is how much? 3%. Delta L by L 100 is how much? 2%. Then the percentage error of density is how much? That is 3%, 3 plus, and this is what? 3 into 2%. That means what? 3 into 2 means what? 6. 3 plus 6, 9%. Therefore, delta rho by rho into 100 is equals to what? 9%. So children, this is the question asked in the year of 1996, and the options are what it is? D option is the right one. See the next question. It is given in the 2012. The damping force on oscillator is directly proportional to the velocity. The units of constant of proportionality are, options are given: kg meter second inverse, kg meter second inverse 2, kg second inverse, and kgv kilogram second kgs. The damping force on the oscillator is directly proportional to the velocity. So given that, what is force? Damping force is nothing but force. Is directly proportional to what? Velocity. Damping force is directly proportional to velocity. So here we are writing something like this: F is proportional to V, and to equate them we have to use one constant. F is equals to K into V. Now for this K we have to write the units of constant. Then what? K is equals to F by V. K is equals to F by V. So what is F? F is the force. F is what? Force. For the unit is what? F is equals to MA. kg meter second inverse 2. For mass, kg. For acceleration, meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. And A is what? Acceleration. Simply what? Right? It is meter per second square. Now second thing is what? Velocity. What is velocity here? Again meter per second. Meter per second is the unit. For force, kg meter per second square. For velocity, meter per second. Now we have to substitute these two units in this formula. Then we will write K is equals to kg meter per second square by meter per second. Clear? So we are going to write this kg into m into kg into meter by second square into second by meter. Meter cancel. Then what you have? Kg per second square into second. Second square cancel. Then what you get? Kg per second. Or it is also written as kg second inverse 1. Kg second inverse 1. So we have to check the options. Option C is the correct one. See the next see the next question. This is also based on the percentage error. The percentage errors in the measurement of mass and speed are 2% and 3% respectively. The error in the estimate of kinetic energy obtained by measuring the mass and speed will be. So the percentage error in mass and speed. How much it is there? 2% and 3% respectively. The error in the measurement of what you have to find out? We have to find out the kinetic energy. Error in the kinetic energy we have to find out it. It was asked in the year of 1995 and options are given 8%, 2%, 12% and 10%. The relation between the mass, speed and kinetic energy. What did children? K is equals to of mv square. Of mv square. Then what is delta Ke by Ke into 100 is equals to what? What like delta m by m into 100 plus and power is how much? 2 into delta v by v into 100. So already what was given? Delta m by m into 100 is equals to how much was given? 2%. And delta v by v into 100 how much was given? 3%. Then substitute here. Delta Ke by Ke into 100 is equals to how much is one? 2% and into how much it is? 3%. Then what? 2 plus 6, that is how much? 8%. So among the four options, first option is the correct one. See the next question. It was given in 2019 Odisha NEET exam. So this model is also very important. It is question is on the vernier calipers. The main scale of vernier calipers has n divisions per centimeter. N divisions of the vernier calipers coincide with the n-1 divisions of main scale. The least count of the vernier calipers is. So he was given what he was given. The main scale of vernier calipers has n divisions per centimeter, and n divisions of vernier scale coincide with the n-1 divisions of main scale. The least count of the vernier calipers is. Options are given: A 1 by n plus 1 into n-1, B 1 by n centimeter, and C 1 by n square centimeter, and D is 1 by n into n plus 1 centimeters. So among them, which is the right one, we have to decide now. So like this, here very simple formula it is there, least count formula. Least count of vernier calipers. Least count of vernier calipers is 1 MSD, 1 main scale division means, and 1 VSD, 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. That is the formula. So very simple here. He was given two conditions. One is what here? NVSD must be coincide with the n-1 MSD. Clear? From that what you have to write? 1 VSD is equals to what you can write? n-1 by n MSD. Now substitute this one vernier scale division in that formula. Then what we get here, children? Very simple. Substitute LC is equals to 1 MSD minus n-1 by n MSD. In this, which is common? MSD is common. Least count is equals to 1 minus n-1 by n of MSD. Clear? Then what to do LCM here? n minus n minus 1 by n MSD. Clear? Then what do you get here? LC is equals to what do you get? N plus of minus minus n and plus of minus plus 1 by n MSD. Then n cancel. Then what do you get? LC is equals to 1 by n of MSD. Now what is the MSD value? So he was given n divisions in 1 centimeter. Then 1 division is equals to what? 1 division is equals to what? 1 by n centimeters. Then substitute here. 1 division equals to what? 1 by n centimeters. Substitute here. Then LC is equals to 1 by n of MS means what? 1 by n centimeter. Then 1 by n means what? 1 by n square centimeter. And least count is what? 1 by n square centimeter. That's why among the 4 options, C option is the correct one. This is a question also related to the screw gauge. The question will be like this, and it was given in the year 2018. A student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of the least count 0.01 centimeters. The main scale reading is 5 millimeters and his circular scale division is coincide with the 25 divisions above the reference level. If the screw gauge has error of minus 0.004 centimeters, the correct diameter of the ball is. So what was given? There is one experiment is there. What is that? Measurement of diameter of a steel ball. We want to find out the diameter of a steel ball by using screw gauge. So steel ball using a screw gauge. How much discount is there? 0.001 centimeters. And the main scale reading what is 5 millimeters. And the circular scale division is coincide with the 25 divisions. And the error is how much? Minus 0.004 centimeters. So by using them, we have to find out the correct diameter of the ball. So for that, the direct formula is the children here now. Diameter or measurement. Diameter is equals to PSR. It's scale reading, or it is also called as main scale reading, plus so HSR, head scale reading or circular scale reading, into LC minus error. This is the formula you have to use here now. Diameter is equals to MSR plus circular scale reading into LC, least count, into minus error. So already PSR given, what it is? MSR is given 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters means what? 0.5 centimeters. 0.5 millimeters is equals to what? MSR is what? 5 millimeters is what? 0.5 centimeters. Plus CSR, how much it is there? 25 into least count is how much is given? 0.001 into minus of error is how much? Minus of minus 0.004. Clear? Then here 0.5 plus 25 into 0.01, that means what? 0.025 minus of minus plus, so 0.004. Then here write this 0.5 and 0.025 and is 0.004. 0.04. So 0.529. So 0.529 centimeters. So that is the diameter by using this screw gauge experiment. So among the 4 options, 4th option is the right one. See the next question. It was given in the year 2013. The question is, in an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage error. 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Quantity P is calculated as follows. P is equals to A cube into B square by CD percentage error in P. So by using 4 quantities we are finding the one quantity what is P. That should be given by the formula. P is equals to A cube B square by CD. And what was given? Percentage error in A is given by how much? That is 1%. For B, how much was given? That is 2%. And for C, 3% is given. 3%. And for D, delta D by D into D is equals to what? 4%. Now what you have to find out? We want to find out the percent error of P. That is the question. So by using this relation we have to find out that one. Simply here delta P by P into 100 can be written as, according to the formula, 3 into delta A by A into 100 plus 2 into, so we need some space, so I arrange this one. 2 into power into relative error of B into 100 plus 1 into delta C by C into 100 plus 1 into delta D by D into 100. So what have we in delta A by A into 100 is what? 1%. Therefore delta P by P into 100 is equals to what? 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 given and 1 into 3 given plus 1 into 4 given. Then 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So therefore the error in the P is what? The percentage of error of percentage of P is what? 14%. So among the 4 options, C option is the correct one. See the next question. It is based on the significant figures and rounding of numbers. Very simple question. Taking into account of the significant figures, what's the value of 9.9 meters minus 0.009 meters? So if you can subtract these two, the final answer what we get? Options are given: 9.980, 9.98, 9.980, 9.9 meters, and it was given in the 2020. So very simple here, 9.99 and 0.0099. In this one, significant figures are 3 are there, here 2 are there. Clear? That's why n is equals to 2, and in that subtraction operation, the final answer going to be round off up to n plus 1. N plus 1 significant figures. So we have to subtract now here. 9.99, 0.0099. So like this, 0, 0. Okay. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. And this is 8. And this is 9. And this is 9. So what will answer? So 9.99 minus 0.0099. What do you get? 9.9801. So we have to round off up to n plus 1 means what? How many? 2 plus 1 means 3 significant figures. Here how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. That's where the last number is what? 1. That should be less than 5. That's why we can omit that one. And it is what? 0. This is also less than 5. We can omit it. Then what do you get? 9.98 meters. So among the 4 options, B option is the correct one. Okay, children. Dear students, this is for enough for this video. I want to upload up to exams as per schedule. Continuously I will upload all the videos. I want to upload the maximum videos. So for that you have to support me by giving like, share and comment. Please subscribe my channel to get the more videos, more content videos from my side. Please support me and my support channel. Thank you.